gorgeous and elegant plus-size model of the bride gowns for any occasion. When it comes to weddings, all eyes are not only on the bride. The mother of the bride deserves to shine just as beautifully. Today, we are celebrating gorgeous and elegant plus-size model of the bride gowns designed to flatter, empower, and make every woman feel confident no matter the season. Let's start with timeless elegance. Flowing A-line gowns are a top favorite for plus-size mothers. They gently skim the body, define the waist, and create a graceful design that works perfectly for both daytime and evening weddings. For lace lovers, delicate lace overlays add instant sophistication, whether it's full lace, lace sleeves, or lace detailing around the neckline. These designs bring a classic and regal touch, perfect for traditional and modern weddings alike. Now, let's talk about seasonal beauty. For spring and summer weddings, lightweight fabrics like chiffon, soft satin, and breathable lace are ideal. Think soft pastels, champagne tones, dusty rose, and elegant flowers that feel fresh and effortlessly. For fall and winter ceremonies, richer fabrics steal the spotlight. Velvet, brocade, and heavily embellished gowns offer warmth and luxury. Deep colors like emerald green, wine, navy blue, and royal purple create a powerful, refined look. Sleeves make a big difference. Three-quarter sleeves, sheer sleeves, or cape style overlays provide coverage while still looking stylish and modern. They are perfect for mothers who want comfort without sacrificing elegance. One thing is clear, fit is everything. Well-tailored gowns with structured bodices, subtle ruching or wrap designs enhances curves beautifully and provide all-day comfort for dancing, working, and celebrating. Accessories complete the look. Pair these gowns with statement jewelry, elegant heels, or stylish headpieces for a polished finish that photographs beautifully. At the end of the day, the perfect model of the bride gown is not about hiding your curves. It's about celebrating them with confidence and grace. Because every mother deserves to feel stunning and mother every mother deserves to feel stunning on her daughter's special day. So let me know in the comment section your favorite style. Please don't forget to subscribe, like as well as share this video. Thank you.